At GM Defensive, we believe in building partnerships with innovators to tackle real-world challenges. Our run-flat tire-changing machine delivers precision and efficiency, paving the way for impactful solutions together. Removing single-piece run-flats from tubeless tires is tough, but our machine makes it quick, precise, and effortless, saving you time and resources. With remote-controlled pistons and a robust design, our machine ensures smooth tire handling in workshops or the field. It's built for efficiency, adaptability, and reliability when it matters most. Our run-flat tire-changing machine is making an impact in over 30 countries. This global trust is no coincidence. It's built on a foundation of innovation, reliability, and excellence. At GM Defensive, our responsibility doesn't end with delivering a product. It begins there. From secure global shipping to expert training and ongoing technical support, we ensure the team is ready from day one. Backed by a comprehensive 2 years of warranty, we're committed to your success and building lasting partnerships. Our partnership is founded on a shared commitment to success, delivering solutions that drive progress for our businesses and the defense community. As part of this commitment, we provide a range of support tools, including digital user manuals in your preferred language, 3D product placement experiences, detailed technical data sheets, and training certifications. Partner with GM Defensive, a team of innovators dedicated to solving real-world challenges in the defense sector. Together, we can shape a future of trust, excellence, and success. We look forward to achieving great things together.